Howdy there, Trent here with Snohomish Tree Company. Today we're doing dead removal. We've got this tree Sam's heading up now, and the top is nice and dead. I'll see if I can get a little better view of it. See how the top is dying out in it, so we're going to remove this one. And this one's also dead, hard to tell, but it's all dead up there. So we'll be removing 2 trees, getting rid of the hazards. These trees could blow over in a storm and hit the house. So we're gonna remove these 2 and we'll see how it goes. Dead tree number 1 coming down. Hanging up a little bit on him. There goes tree top number 2 for the day. Last tree on this job. Just gotta chunk that one down, knock that short one over, and then these 2 dead trees will be out of the homeowner's hair. And then we'll be on to the next one. Thank you. Howdy friends, Trent back here. We finished this job up. It went really good. We had a dead fir tree there, that short little guy that we need to knock down yet. And this other short little fir tree that needs to get knocked down. They were dead and a danger to the homeowner here. Job went good. And we'll ask Ed. Ed, how do you think the job went?
It's amazing. You were on time and went really quick here, and you're doing a good job of cleaning up. I really appreciate it.
Thank you, Ed.
Thank you.
Till the next